Hi everyone, this is Ms. Jovel. I'm going to be showing you today how to use your Naviance account. More importantly, how to add colleges to your college list. The NACAC fair will be tomorrow, so if you have any questions, make sure you email me or you ask your teachers. So the first thing that you're going to log into Naviance and you're going to see up here, there's the colleges section. You're going to click on colleges and you're going to go to find your fit. So once you're on Find Your Fit, you click Supermatch, and it gives you this different section where you can choose different criteria. So I would suggest for you guys to start looking at first at California schools. Start small and then you can expand. And for now, we're going to leave the search a little bit broad. Okay? The next step is for you to choose your academics. Clicking on bachelor's. Bachelor's is a 4-year degree, which is what you will be working on, and searching for your major. So right now I put chemical engineering just for some for reference. And then if you're a student who's interested in more of like the clubs or the student life, you can also check the student life on there. Or if you're interested in sports, I put an example and I put soccer as a sport. Okay, so once I have that, I scroll down and you guys can see that it gives you a comparison of different schools. We see there UC Davis, Cal Baptist, and you can actually pin those to compare. What's gonna be important is that you want to look further into it, right? So it shows here that um, for UC Santa Barbara, the average GPA that they take is a 3.8. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. And this is kind of what you should be doing, looking a little further into the colleges. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Okay. So then it shows you here some of their student life, the average cost, the average acceptance. And down here, this is what an important comparison you can see. You can see how your GPA compares to average students that are getting accepted to those schools. So if you're in the red zone, that means that you have time to work on your GPA. You have 3 semesters, including this one, to really pick up your GPA. You want to look at the studies to make sure that they have the degree that you want to do. And if you have any questions, for example, if I want to do actuarial science and I don't know what it is, then simply Google it and do a little more research on that. And what's going to also be important is for you to look at the student life. How far is this school? You can click on directions. It shows you the actual Google map and you can see how far that is. Okay. You can look at the ethnicity, the gender, the age, and what's the most important part of this process is looking at the GPA that you need in order to get into these schools. So we see here that students that are in the green zone, they're getting maybe a 4.2, a 4.0, a 3.6. This student here had a 4.5 GPA with an SAT score of 1370. So what it shows us is that even if you have the highest GPA, it's important that you also do extracurricular activities, especially because these are things that colleges are going to be looking at. Okay, so that's why you see the little, the different ranges here. SAT scores make a difference, your GPA makes a difference, and your extracurricular activities along with your volunteer work. So if I want to go to UC Santa Barbara, then I should be going for maybe a 3.6 GPA. Okay? And then you can see there, you can click Heart and add it to your college list. And to review your full college list, you can go to colleges I am thinking about and it shows you there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If you don't know what you want to do yet, you should start looking at careers and exploring a couple careers based on your career clusters. Okay? Thank you.